Hey guys, so my mission today is to fix my lawnmower. Now I know it looks like a heap of junk and you're thinking, why didn't you buy a new one? But I hate to waste money and it actually works quite well. But a rat got in here the other day and chewed up all my wiring. So I'm going to see if I can either splice it or maybe take that harness out and find another one online somewhere. So that's my mission today. Anyway, Happy New Year. It's going to be in a couple of days. And I'll show you my progress a little bit later. Okay, so I'm guessing it'll probably be quite hard to find this little bit of wire harness. And so, as bad as it looks like I've got enough on the ends here to splice some new wires in. So if I take my time, I should be able to fix it. So I'll get to it. So my lawnmower wiring. It took me a little while and it's not pretty, but all those wires are now connected. So I'm going to put a couple of zip ties around there, neaten it up a little bit, put it back in my lawnmower, and hopefully it'll fire up. I've got the wiring back in there. I guess this wasn't connected to anything. I was just looking at the video that I took first because I couldn't work out where to connect that to, and that was just hanging in there. So I guess I didn't have to fix that one. Unless I find out where it went. Maybe it was for some accessory or something. I actually gave this engine a service about a month ago. You know, oil filters, fuel filters, changed the oil, and got it tuned up, new spark plug and everything. Got it running really good. But it's been living outside, which is one of the things that just doesn't help it much. Oh, and I put some new tyres on it. But that back one's a bit low. I need to put some air in it. Anyway, I'll put the gas tank back in and hopefully it starts up. It's all back together. Now when you go to your lawnmower like this and it doesn't start, there's nothing. It's often because of a fuse back here. Down by the battery at the back. Anyway, that fuse goes. And often you can replace that fuse and you get lawnmower working again. But because all the wires were chewed through, that fuse was blowing. So anyway, put a new fuse in there, and the battery's kind of flat. But as you can see, I've got a connection now. So I just have to charge it up and everything will be working again. So a pretty good result. Anyway, maybe that'll be helpful to somebody. It looks bad, but with a couple of simple tools. Basically, I had my little heat gun. I was using these little soldering connections, which are quite good. My little heat gun here. And, you know, just some wire cutters. And a bit of wire. Took a little bit of time, got it all fixed. Anyway. It's not like working on my other cars, but it might be helpful to somebody. Anyway, hope you like it.